Hello, friends， 你好，朋友们。Many people like eating crabs, but do not know how to cook it. 很多人都爱吃螃蟹，但不知道怎么做。Chef Lion will show how to cook crab meatball. It is so delicious. 狮子大厨给您展示如何做蟹肉丸子，它非常美味。Welcome to subscribe my channel. You will help me building my channel. Thank you. 欢迎订阅我的频道，这是对我很大的帮助，谢谢。Lion need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watching. Then I can have Google advertise job. I need have a living income. Thank you. Subscribe me and give me a like. 狮子是一个油管新人，需要1000个订阅者，4000小时观看，这样才加入谷歌合作。我需要这个作为工作，有收入生活。谢谢帮助。Let's start. 我们开始吧。A crab 300 grams. 一个螃蟹300克。First we take the meat from legs. 我们先取出蟹腿肉。Cut it by scissors. 用剪刀剪开。Cut off the thorns. Then it would not hurt your fingers. 剪掉凸刺就不会伤到手指了。Easy to open it. 很容易打开。We use a stick take the meat. 我们用根筷子取出肉。Crab meat is not only delicious, but also nutritious. It is a high protein food and rich in trace elements. 蟹肉不但味美，且营养丰富，是一种高蛋白食物，含有丰富的微量元素。It's easy to do by this way. 用这个方法做很简单。Many friends don't know how to take the crab body meat. Let me show you. 很多朋友不知道怎么取出蟹肚子上的肉，让我来演示你看。This is lungs of crab. It is inedible. 这是蟹的肺部，是不能吃的。We will clean them off. 我们把它们要清除掉。Cut the crab into 2 parts. 把蟹剪成2半。Use a small spoon dig out the meat. 用小勺子挖出蟹肉。蟹肚子上的肉很多，我们不要扔掉啊。Ground meat 300 grams. 肉馅300克。We will shed half into more thinner. 我们把一半肉切更细一些。Add the crab meat. 加入蟹肉。Green onions 50 grams. 大葱50克。Ginger 10 grams. 姜10克。Mix together. 混合在一起。Soybean sauce 20 ml. 酱油20毫升。Water 20 ml. 水20毫升。 We add the sauce in 3 steps. 我们分3步加入酱汁。Mixture needs a great deal of beating while making. 肉蟹馅要充分搅拌。Lettuce 150 grams. 莴苣150克。Dry clam 100 grams. 干蛤蜊100克。Wash away the salt. 洗掉盐分。Sea tango 200 grams. Washed 海带200克，洗净。Water 400 ml. 水400毫升。Salt 3 grams. 盐3克。Oil gluten 200 grams. 油面筋200克。Cut into 2 parts. 切成2半。Take off the bread inside. 取出内心。Put the meat into gluten cup. 把肉馅嵌入面筋碗里。It is cute. 它很可爱。Cook water in pot. Steam boil. Cook the soup 15 minutes. 锅里放水，蒸15分钟。Pink mushroom 100 grams. 粉蘑菇100克。Water soft. 用水泡软。Add mushroom in the soup. 汤里放入蘑菇。Steam boiling 10 minutes. 蒸10分钟。Add the lettuce in soup. 汤里放上莴苣。Add soybean sauce 20 ml. 加入酱油20毫升。Steam boiling 5 minutes more. 再蒸5分钟。Time is out. Well done. 时间到了，做好了。The soup is tender soft. 汤很柔和。Do you like this dish? 你喜欢这道菜吗？ Not forget subscribe my channel and give a like. 别忘了关注点赞啊。So tasty, the meat full of crab. 太美味了，满满的蟹肉味。Lettuce is crispy. 莴苣很清脆。It is amazing we cook the crab meat in the gluten cup and make a wonderful soup. 很奇妙，我们用蟹肉做了嵌油面筋和一道完美的汤。Yummy, yummy, yummy. 好吃，好吃，好吃。Thank you watching. See you next time. 谢谢观看，下次再见。